Good morning, fam. If your hips feel locked, your lower back's been whispering or screaming, and your body feels older than it is, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to unlock deep tension, restore flow, and help you move like you again. Let's hit the mat. Think of this one as hip flossing, gentle, rhythmic, and essential. Sit with your knees bent, feet flat, slightly wider than hip distance. Drop your right knee towards your left foot. Come back to center, now to the right. Now alternate. Let the spine stay tall. Feel the motion happening deep in the joint, not your lower back. I promise this is the foundation for unlocking movement without pain. Beginners, if your hips feel stuck, elevate your seat with a cushion to allow more range. Did you know that poor hip rotation can cause compensations in your knees and spine? Stay with me, 5 more seconds. Do you feel that click or catch? That's your body waking up. Now let's dig a little deeper into your glutes. Lie down on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Reach through and pull your left leg toward your chest. Keep your head relaxed. Breathe into that right glute. I promise this stretch reduces nerve tension through your hips and can even help sciatica flare-ups. If reaching is too intense, just leave the foot on the ground and gently push the knee away. 5 more seconds. Can you pull just a little closer? Do you feel it in your hip or lower back? Either way, we're making progress. Same thing, opposite side. This is where imbalance often hides, so pay attention to how this side feels different. Keep your ankle flexed to protect your knee joint. Again, you can support the opposite foot on a block or keep it on the floor. Here's a little fun fact. Your glutes are some of the strongest muscles in your body, and when they're tight, they pull your whole nervous system out of alignment. That's why we're opening them up now before you start your day. Deep breath in and release. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's soften everything around them. Lie flat on your back, bring soles of your feet together, and let your knees fall open. Rest one hand on your belly or chest or by your sides. Let your body melt. This is where stress likes to hide. And I promise, this is where it gets released. Use blocks or pillows under the thighs for support. 5 more seconds. Can you let your knees drop even half an inch more? Is your breath deeper than when we started? That's your nervous system shifting. We've relaxed, now let's stretch. Come to your hands and knees, then send your hips back over your heels, arms long in front of you, forehead to the mat, shoulders soft. This one is personal because we carry so much tension in our lower backs without even realizing it. This is where we let it go. If your hips don't reach your heels, spread your knees wider. Or use a cushion. Just 1 minute of this pose can reduce cortisol levels and lower your blood pressure. Stay for 5 more and melt deeper. Can you feel your spine lengthening? That's a reset your posture needed. Now let's finish with power. Step your right foot forward, left knee down, sink into your hips. One hand on your thigh, the other reaching up toward the sky or resting on your hip. This is how you take pressure off your lower back for the rest of the day. I promise. Use blocks or rest your hands on your thigh. Stay tall, breathe in, 5 seconds longer. Do you feel this in the front of your hip or your quad? That's where the tension lives. Now switch sides. This is your final stretch, but it's also a challenge. Push just a little deeper than you did on the first side. Test your symmetry. Keep your back toes intact if your ankle feels tight. This stretch is proof your body is capable of change, even in just 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, you just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.